focused on various biomass to energy solutions. What we're trying to do is we're doing a lot of research and development and taking to market solutions which allow us to handle biomasses effectively, efficiently, conveniently. The main challenge was a technological challenge, right? Because the technology needed a lot of research and development to take it where it is today. Now that is a challenge we have been able to meet. So in terms of technology, we are now very comfortable. But now the challenges that are really there are taking the technology everywhere that it should be going. So if you look at the Indian market, the policies for renewables are still not what they should be. So pushing small biomass-based power plants in India is still a tough call. If you look at the history of biomass projects, one of the biggest issues is the supply chain logistics. And because we do smaller power plants, we handle that logistic issue very well. Because you're doing a much smaller power plants, you don't need a lot of biomass. So that's why the technology can really grow all across the world. Of the Indian competitors, we have the largest market share simply because, we are solely focused on this. So we do our own research and development, we manufacture our own equipment, we market it, we sell it, we service it. Right? So it's like a one-stop shop. Focus on is something called biomass gasification, which allows us to do power plants from a very small scale, from about 10 units per hour to 2 megawatt, 5 megawatt, 10 megawatt as the case may be. And using this technology, we can do these power plants very efficiently. This would be the schematic of a gasifier, right? You feed in biomass, gas comes out here. You have some chemical reactions happening in between, right? So this is the gasifier. And then you can directly fire the gas into something like a boiler, a dryer. So here you don't clean the gas very much. If you want to generate electricity, you fire it into an engine genset. So then you have the gasifier, you have a set of filters, and then finally you feed the gas into an engine genset. So these filters clean up the gas quite a lot. I think what we want to very clearly achieve is we want to be seen as one of the global leaders in the biomass to energy space with a focus on gasification.